Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vikram. My roll number is 244 G5A0118. Subject is Geotechnical Engineering. Today I am explaining about topic is explain the methods of slice for slope stability analysis. State the assumptions involved. Next, introduction to slope stability analysis. The method of slice is a widely used technique for evaluating the stability of slopes. It involves dividing the slope into several vertical or inclined slices for detailed analysis. The primary goal is to estimate the factors of safety against potential failure. Next, concept of the methods of slice. The slope is described into slices, each representing a segment of the material. Forces acting on each slice are analyzed to assess the overall stability. The method simplifies complex soil or rock mass behavior into manageable calculation. Types of slice and their arrangement. Common slice arrangements include ordinary and Bishop's methods, among others. Slices are typically bounded by vertically or inclined failure surface. The arrangement depends on the slope, geometry, and the methods chosen for analysis. Assumptions of the methods of slice. The slices are assumed to be rigid and the equilibrium during the analysis. The method presumes homogeneity and isotropy of the material within each slice. It often considers simplified failure surface, usually circular or planar. Next, forces components in the slice. Each slice expresses weight, normal, and shear force that influence stability. External force like pore water pressure and seismic forces can be included in the analysis. The forces are resolved into components parallel and perpendicular to the failure surface. Calculation of factor of safety. The factor of safety is the ratio of resisting forces to driving force for the science. It is calculated using equilibrium equations considering the forces of each slice. A factor of safety greater than 1 indicates the stable slope while less than 1 indicates failure potential. Method of slope stability analysis. The Bishop's simplified methods is one of the most common approaches used. Other methods include Jumbo, Shimshar, or Fluence, each with different assumptions. Selection depends on the complexity of the slope and the precision required. Advantages of the methods of slice. It provides a systematic and reliability straightforward way to analyze complex slope. The method accommodated various failure surface and soil condensation. It allows for the insulation of pore pressure and their external factors influencing stability. Limitations and considerations. Assumptions like homogeneity and ridge slice can oversimplify real conditions. Accurate input data such as soil property and pore pressure are critical. The methods may not be sustainable for high heterogeneous or anisotrophic materials without modification. finally reference. And then thank you, sir.